Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to send Tether, USDT, from your Tangem wallet to a Ledger Nano X. If you're into crypto and want to securely move your assets between hardware wallets, this 2025 guide is perfect for you. It's straightforward, safe, and will save you time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure both your Tangem wallet and Ledger Nano X are set up and updated to the latest firmware. This ensures everything runs smoothly and minimizes risks. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device and unlock it with your PIN or biometric security. Next, navigate to your Tether holdings. Select the USDT you want to transfer. Double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Now, switch over to your Ledger Nano X. Plug it into your computer or use it wirelessly, and open the Ledger Live app. Go to the Accounts section and find your receiving address for Tether. Copy this address carefully, it's your destination for the transfer. Head back to the Tangem wallet. Look for the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Ledger Nano X address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of Tether you're sending. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That could mean losing your crypto forever. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including fees and network. Tether usually runs on the Ethereum or Tron network, so select the right one based on your setup. Hit Confirm on the Tangem wallet, and then approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X device itself for that extra layer of security. Once approved, sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. You can check the status in both wallets or on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. That's how you securely send Tether from Tangem to Ledger Nano X in 2025. Always prioritize security in crypto, and if you run into issues, double-check your connections or reach out to support. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.